like this, spin it, just spin the top, let it go. It's gonna make a tornado. There you go. You made a tornado. Nice job.
Science really is exciting. So, like the standard image from TV programs that come from Burbank and Hollywood and things like that, that standard image is completely wrong. People in white coats, all very formal and stuffy. They're freakish people like me doing cool things. I'm really excited about doing cool things all the time. So the real science is what you see if you come to EYU.
So dry ice does something fun. It's called sublimation.
I'm Shane. You can also call me Space Shane.
That is so wild.
And this is a great way to learn about how rockets work and about how some really fundamental physics works. That worked really well.
This event was originally geared toward people from inner city schools, and then it's just kind of grown from there. The rest of the public has learned about it, and just through word of mouth, it's become huge.
It's one of the largest science outreach events that I know of in Southern California. So it's a big deal. And it's amazing right now that it's all volunteer.
I think it really boils down to getting people to understand and to care about the world around them. And whether you end up in a science career or not, it's just to be able to be curious about the things around you. And kids are really great at being curious.
So your tongue has taste buds, but your taste buds can only distinguish between different types of flavors like sweetness and sour and bitterness. But your nose can actually pick up a lot of other like distinguished flavors.
What we have here, we've set up several solar telescopes. So we're going to be using these throughout the course of the day to look at the surface of the sun in a way that's safe for people to do, because you obviously don't want to look at it with just your eyes.
There's actually a lot of small sunspots.
The classes in schools, the society itself has kind of drifted into a more abstract, less hands-on realm, which is a huge disaster because the way to figure out something is to pick it up and play with it in your hands, not to look at it on a screen.
Learning about something that's written on a board or in an equation, it just doesn't do it for me. Seeing that happen, it really brings it to life.
You feel it, right? In your hands?
Yeah, I can feel it vibrate.
It's like, oh, it clicks. I get it now.
I've had students come up to me after this event and say, that was the best thing I did at UCLA. I got to explain everything I only sort of knew for the day, and by the end of the day, I felt like I knew it better, and I felt like it wasn't just some idea in the back of my head. That's amazing to me.
A lot of times when you're a graduate student or a faculty member, you get lost in sort of the concrete details of what you're doing, the math and the coding on the computer and things like that. You forget what you're studying is actually very, very cool.
We just want people to enjoy science, to walk away today, whether you're a volunteer or you're a student, again, a grandparent, anything, to walk away and be like, science is amazing and it's cool and it's not something that I should be scared of. It's something that is for everyone. It's part of me. It's part of the world that I live in. And that's really what we want for today.